What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Adam West for Soulfly Sneakers, and today we are going to be looking at the Jordan 4 Laser in black. So I've got the shoe just here. Kind of an understated shoe, probably. I think it was the last release from 2018 that Jordan did. The last Jordan Retro from 2018, I think. Now you can see we've got the black monochrome upper with the white midsoles and the gum outsole. I really like the contrast between the white and the gum on the midsole and outsole there. And on the upper, I'm not sure how good a shot we're going to be able to get at this. There's sort of, again in black, it's sort of black on black, kind of tribal inspired design on there. Could probably see it a little bit better on the other shoe just because of the way the light catches it, so I will get that out in a second. I'll just show you the front of the shoe and back there with the white Jordan logo. Now these are really nice, probably my favourite Jordan from 2018, and one that's probably going to end up on feet. They are in my size, the UK 12, US 13. I did have an inquiry about them this morning. Now, if I try and get this in the light, you can see we've got the patterns here, and they're all over the upper on the tongue as well. There we go. That's not a bad shot. Kind of hard to get on the camera, especially when it's just my mobile. But yeah, I did have an inquiry about these this morning, so I'm trying to get a bit of a deal on them, so we'll see how that goes. They could well end up on feet, but if you do want to grab them before I decide to put them on, there'll be a link in the description. And yeah, these make a good replacement for me for what I currently wear, which I haven't shown you yet. My main shoe at the minute is the Nike Dunk High Premium N7 collab from 2017. I will get those out in the next video. I think I'll give them a bit of a clean. They probably I've had them for a few months, starting to get a little bit tired, so yeah, I'm looking for something new. I've got a few in the collection that I wouldn't mind putting on. I don't wear like several pairs at a time or anything. You know, sustainability is just kind of a big thing for me. Running Change Clothing as well, changeclothing.co.uk. Go check that out. But yeah, these probably my favourites right now is between these and a pair of Jordan 1s I've got that I haven't shown you yet, which I will also get out in the coming weeks. So yeah, until then, catch you later.